how to use referral code in Shein. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use and share a referral code in the Shein app so you and your friends can both save some money. So let's jump right into it. First, open up the Shein app. Here, tap on the Me tab at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now once you're here, under Order section, you're going to find an option called Share and Earn. Tap that. This is where your referral link lives. You can copy the link directly, or tap the Others button and share via any of the social media icons to share it instantly on platforms like WhatsApp, Instagram, or wherever you want. So for example, if I tap Instagram, I can choose a contact and send my link just like that. The person receiving it will see a message with the referral code link included. Now here's how it works. Your friend will get 10% off on their first Shein order when they use your link. And on your end, you'll get 15% off once they make a qualifying purchase. That's with a minimum spend of 1,199 pesos. That's how easy it is to use and share your Shein referral code. If you found this helpful, drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next one.